Walnut oil is quickly growing in popularity and replacing other oils, such as olive oil and canola oil, due to its tremendous health-promoting abilities. Walnut oil is packed with healthy vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can heal our bodies and provide adequate nutrition. For this reason, only a small amount of it is needed to be consumed to achieve these benefits, especially if you are consuming it regularly. Let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of walnut oil. First, one of the most important health-promoting benefits of walnut oil is its ability to improve heart health a number of different ways. The oil contains no cholesterol and contains good levels of both polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. As well, walnut oil can help to increase circulation throughout the body while also helping to lower blood pressure and is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. All of this helps to reduce the risks associated with heart disease and atherosclerosis. Walnut oil is also packed with many different types of antioxidants and can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. It contains a powerful and potent antioxidant known as ellagic acid, which can help to reduce cell-damaging effects of free radicals in the body, reduce oxidative stress, and even reduce the risks associated with certain diseases. Its inflammation-fighting abilities can also help reduce the signs of premature aging. Regular consumption of walnut oil can also have positive effects when it comes to boosting our immune system. As mentioned previously, it contains potent antioxidant compounds, but is also a good source of immune-boosting nutrients. This includes zinc, vitamin E, magnesium, selenium, phosphorus, and B-complex vitamins. This allows walnut oil to promote and improve organ system function, while also relieving strain on our immune system to fight bacteria and disease. One of the more popular benefits of walnut oil is now in relation to skin care. This is attributed to the oil's antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory elements, all of which work to improve the look of the skin. The high level of antioxidants can help the skin to look younger and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These elements can also help to treat skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis, as well as eliminate unwanted pathogens that can hurt the skin's appearance. Lastly, consuming walnut oil consistently can help to control diabetes and even help those individuals suffering from the disease. This is because walnut oil can help to regulate blood sugar levels and also regulate insulin production in the pancreas. The high levels of monounsaturated fats found in walnut oil can also help to improve how our bodies respond to insulin and helps to control blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.